Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to prepare a face gel that can remove your suntan and sunburn. Moreover, it can remove your dark spots, dark patches and acne scars. Moreover, the ingredients I'm going to use are readily available all the time. So what else do we need? Keep watching this video. But before I start, hi, this is Shampa from Good Life with Shampa. If you are watching this video on YouTube and new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and bell icon. Now let's see how we can prepare this gel. To make this gel, I have taken here cucumber paste. I made this paste simply by grinding a medium-sized cucumber using a mixer grinder, and I have taken here aloe vera gel. Now I'm going to extract the juice out of this cucumber paste. In a bowl, I'm going to extract the juice. Now, I will add 1 spoonful of cucumber juice to 1 spoonful of aloe vera gel and mix well. Now add the rest half spoonful of aloe vera gel to this mixture and mix them well. Your wonder cucumber gel is ready. Now how we can apply this gel on our face? Before applying it, wash your face properly. Clean your face with a face wash, or you may use a cleanser. You have to remove your makeup first and then do these steps and then apply this gel on your face using your fingers. Cover all the areas like your forehead, your chins, cheek, nose and under eyes especially, and then massage it for 1 to 2 minutes. You can do this every night before going to sleep. You can preserve this gel for 3 days. Be consistent and share your experience with me in the comment sections below. And for now, if you like this video, do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Good Life with Shampa. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching this video.